engine, 2.5 inches bore and 2.5 inches stroke. So we put this little lever over there. It will now run ahead, we hope. A little bit of air. And it will go backwards if you do that. And it will go forwards again. And we'll run a little faster. The crown filter in the picture.